guys. So I'm gonna be joining a game with Jesse. So that's what we're doing. So yeah. Please subscribe, like, and everything so that I can get more equipment for this. And everything. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Jesse and we're going to play the game. Jesse! I'm in the fire station.
Run, I'm the one that is gonna.
I see you.
Hey, get in my truck.
Actually, I got more than that, last night.
Well, I got an email saying you had 10 subscribers.
Well, hopefully I get more.
Let's go.
Hurry up, you're slow. Why is our head sticking through it? And I'm not even wearing a helmet. And mine's sticking through it most. Oh wait, yeah, I did put it on the lowest setting I could.
Went the wrong way.
Okay, I might as well run.
Ryan, this is gonna be way fast.
Not if you keep doing what you're doing. Beating you.
Yeah, you wanna bet that?
Wow, finally you discovered it. I'm in. Ooh, helicopter.
No, you cannot get that. That has a pass. Okay, you have to walk now.
They suck. You do realize right next to us there's a fire station.
Yeah, under your own car.
It's just you spawn in your own vehicle.
And Ryan, once in a while, you will have to get refills of.
I know, I saw the refill thingamajig. How do you refill with that though? It's just a pile of water.
No, you just go next to it and then a blue tube comes and until that goes gone. So a blue tube goes and
I would like to fill this, please. Looks like I'm completely filled. Wow, amazing.
Ryan. Okay, Ryan, I will show you how to do it. So I get in my truck. I'm actually out of water. Let me go really quick to the fire station. Run lights and sirens so everybody knows that you're coming.
Yeah, so why'd I need it?
See, Ryan, there's a blue tube. Ryan, look. Ryan, look. And it fills up your water.
Okay, I'm trying to drive.
And if you come out of your truck when it's filling up, it will start. And I'll fill it up. Yep. Put that back. Let's get in my truck. No.
I don't either. I don't know where it is.
yesterday?
I couldn't find them. Like I told you yesterday and the day before.
Yeah, I told them right off the thing yesterday.
That doesn't change the fact I couldn't find it. Whether you like it or not.
You just put hair on you.
What's wrong with you? Oh. No, I ran out. Drive.
Okay, we have to leave in a few minutes. I need you to go get your socks and shoes on.
I don't know where it is.
Yeah, it definitely is that way, especially when you're in here and you're not even looking for it.
I've looked multiple times.
No.
If you would listen.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Go look at the pile that is on the floor in the living room, dining room, whatever you want to call it.
I told you I couldn't find it.
That's because
I
you
told
didn't
you
look.
that multiple
Yeah,
times.
but you didn't look.
I did.
No, you didn't. Because it's in plain sight.
I lost my truck. Looks like that fire station ain't working. I got my truck stuck and I tried to leave because my water was out. So I'm stealing whoever's vehicle this is. Whoever's vehicle this is. I said I'm stealing it. I never said I'm going in the back. Fine.
You cannot take other people's trucks.
No, Willie, I had no idea.
Obviously, you didn't.
I just figured that out, Jesse.
That was so hard. Put your socks on.
Just because you could find it doesn't mean that.
That's because I actually.
That's not my socks!
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Are yours white then?
Mine's the Minion ones.
Okay, I bought you other kind of socks. Didn't I get you white ones and him black ones? There you go. Those are your socks. Let's go.
Mom, what about shoes?
Go get your shoes.
Okay.
No wonder you couldn't find them. You didn't freaking pay attention to the fact that I already got you black socks. Roxy! Roxy! Hey, go inside.
I wish for
Ouch. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna pause the video for a second. Where's the thingamajig? Okay, we're continuing. I guess that's it. Okay, I'm just gonna join him. Just gonna be for a couple of minutes because of school. But anyway, it still says you're playing Fire Rescue.
Jesse.
Hold on, I'm pausing it for a second. Well, my internet ain't working, so I'm gonna end the video here.